Hello everyone and welcome to Keeru's online lectures. I am Keeru Jamtani and today's topic is chemical bonding. See, in part 1 and part 2 we have already discussed what is electrovalent bonding and covalent bonding. Now in this part we are going to study about coordinate bond. Now this coordinate bond, it is also known as dative bond. Now what is coordinate bond? Let's suppose we have example over here H2SO4. Now in H2SO4 if we see sulfur is having 6 electrons in its outermost shell. Oxygen, it is having 6 electrons in its outermost shell. Similarly, there are 4 oxygens, so we'll make 4 oxygens over here. Oxygen here also and here also. Hydrogen, it is having 1 electron in its outermost shell. Now hydrogen, what it will do? It has to complete its duplex, so hydrogen will share 1 electron from oxygen. Now oxygen, it has already shared 1 electron, that means इसके पास 7 electrons आ गए. Now this oxygen requires 1 electron more, so it will share electron from sulfur and hydrogen. Similarly, this oxygen will share electron from sulfur and hydrogen. This is how octet of oxygen are completed. Hydrogen will share 1 electron, so this is how duplex of hydrogen and oxygen is completed. Now when we look on to sulfur, so sulfur will share 1 electron from this oxygen and from this oxygen. So thus its octet is also completed. Now here sulfur is left with 2 lone pair of electrons. So when sulfur is sharing this 1 lone pair of electron with this oxygen, so that its octet should be completed, and 1 lone pair of electron with this oxygen, so that its octet should also be completed. So this type of bonding, when only one atom is sharing its lone pair of electron with another atom, is known as coordinate bonding. So in short we can say, in coordinate bonding there should be presence of lone pair of electrons, and this coordinate bond is shown by a arrow. So we can see over here oxygen ने 1 electron share किया था, so single bond. Similarly this oxygen and hydrogen. Now this sulfur, it has shared its lone pair of electrons with this oxygen, so this bond is what? Coordinate bond. Similarly this bond, so this oxygen has also shared its lone pair of electrons, so this oxygen has coordinate bonding. Now similarly we know how water molecule is formed. Water is what? H2O. Oxygen, it is having 6 electrons in its outermost shell. Hydrogen is having 1 electron. Now hydrogen will share 1 electron, so that उसकी duplex complete हो जाए. Oxygen will also share that electron, so that oxygen की octet complete हो जाए. Thus this is a structure that is single bonded. It is a covalent bond, इसीलिए हमने इसको single bond से show किया. Now there are 2 lone pair of electrons over here also. Now if this lone pair of electron is shared by some other atom, then this will participate in what? Coordinate bonding. So as we saw before, oxygen is having 2 lone pair of electrons. So now what oxygen will do? It will combine with H plus. H plus कहाँ से आया? H plus किसी भी acid से आया, तो H plus है, that means it has lost all his electrons. मतलब H plus के पास अब एक भी electron नहीं है. Now this 1 lone pair of electron is shared by this H plus. Thus now its structure becomes OH single bonded, because it is a covalent bond, and here it is H, because this is a lone pair of electron which is shared by hydrogen and it is plus. So this is a structure of hydronium ion which is H3O plus. Next example is ammonia molecule. Now what is ammonia? Ammonia is NH3. Now we know nitrogen, it is having 5 electrons in its outermost shell. Hydrogen is having 1 electron. So they both will share 1 electron. Thus nitrogen will complete its octet by sharing 1 electron from each hydrogen, and hydrogen's duplex is completed. So this is a structure for ammonia, and ammonia is having 1 lone pair of electron. Now again, like as we saw in hydronium ion, same is the case with ammonium ion. Ammonium ion is what? NH4 plus. So we know NH3, its structure is N के पास lone pair of electrons. This is H, H and H. Now when H plus ion will come, so this lone pair of electron is shared by H plus ion. Thus ये lone pair of electron इससे share किए क्योंकि H के पास एक भी electron नहीं है, it is plus. So now the bonding, because 1 lone pair of electron is shared by this, so this is what? Coordinate bond H, H and H. Since ये plus है तो इसलिए यहाँ पर आ जाएगा क्या? Plus. So this is all about कि what is coordinate bond, and we have discussed certain examples related to it. Now we will see certain compounds which contain electrovalent and covalent bonding. So we know there is a compound NaOH. If we write it like this, Na plus and OH minus, so इनके बीच में क्या आ गई? Electrovalent bonding. But if we look onto this OH, तो O and H के बीच में there is what? Covalent bonding. Now how? 1 electron इसने अपना donate किया. That 1 electron is taken by oxygen and 1 electron hydrogen and oxygen ने share किया. So this is how हाइड्रोजन की duplex complete हो गई and ऑक्सीजन की octet complete हो गई. Since oxygen has taken 1 electron, इसलिए ये OH negative हम whole में लिखते हैं. Now there are certain examples like which have covalent and coordinate bonding. So we can see over here carbon monoxide. Carbon is having 4 electrons in its outermost orbit, and oxygen is having 6 electrons in its outermost orbit. Now obviously ये 2 electrons की अगर sharing करेंगे तो ऑक्सीजन की octet तो complete हो गई, but कार्बन के पास कितने electrons है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So carbon needs 1 lone pair of electron. So ये 1 lone pair of electron इससे क्या करेगा? Share करेगा. So 1 lone pair of electron is shared. So इसको हम indicate करेंगे coordinate bond, and 2 की sharing हुई थी तो that is indicated by covalent bond. तो covalent bond में हमने क्योंकि 2 electrons की sharing हुई तो इसको double bond से indicate किया. Similarly we have example of HNO3 in which covalent and coordinate bond is there. Now we have certain examples in which ionic, covalent and coordinate bond is there. Now what is that? Like NH4Cl. NH4Cl को हम क्या लिखते हैं? NH4 plus and Cl minus. So इन दोनों के बीच में आ गई क्या? Ionic bond. And we know NH4 plus इसका structure कैसा होता है? We have seen ammonium ion. So ammonium ion का structure होता है H, H and H, and 1 lone pair of electron is shared by hydrogen. So this whole अगर हम यहाँ पर देखें तो it has covalent and coordinate bond. So NH4Cl, it has all the 3 bondings which we have discussed: ionic, covalent and coordinate bond. Similarly we have one more example, that is K4FeCN6, that is potassium ferrocyanide. So this is how we have studied all the types of bonding, that is ionic, covalent and coordinate. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.